Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nubia Z60S Pro, and let me share with you how to change the keyboard language on this device. So let's start with opening the settings or any other app which will provide you with the keyboard. So for example, messages, notes, and browser, whatever. Just have the keyboard on the screen, and let me quickly maybe change the theme to the default, so you will be able to see everything. All we have to do right now, if you've got the keyboard on the screen, is to enter the settings, and they are right here in this upper panel. So let's tap on them and tap on the languages. Now let's tap on Add Keyboard, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available keyboards from which we can choose. So simply find yours and tap on it. You can scroll or simply then enter the name of the language. So let's tap on it after finding and now choose the layout you'd like to use and tap on Done. As you can see, it has been immediately applied, and first of all, let's go back to the keyboard to show you how to use the keyboard with 2 or more languages added. So basically the globe icon is the most important one, thanks to which we will be able to change the layout, which is more the spacebar. It's not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we're currently using. So now let me show you how to remove the language. Simply enter the settings again, tap on the languages, and tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner. Now we can mark the language we want to remove and tap on the trash bin icon. And as you can see, you've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.